Our world never stops, constantly moving. Day by day, year by year. Generation after generation. An epic challenge to keep the world moving.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to show you a short video about how to use some of the fire and safety equipments we will find on board.
Specifically for the safety equipment, the life buoy, a life raft,
and the fire extinguisher. Go.
Hello guys, good morning. This is a life buoy. Its main purpose is to save lives, especially when there's a man overboard. We can locate the life buoys near the ship's side railings, also in the safety plans of the vessel. And the number of life buoys depends on the carriage requirements given by SOLAS. And also there are different kinds of life buoy. Life buoys with light, life buoys with line, also life buoy with light and smoke. So this is all for now. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a life raft. So a life raft is a life-saving appliance which are carried on board vessels. It is used during emergencies whenever a vessel is abandoned. So the location and the minimum capacity of a life raft is as per SOLAS. There are two ways a life raft is inflated. The other one is with an HRU, the other one is without an HRU. So, whenever a life raft is inflated with an HRU, and a certain amount of that, it will float. Without an HRU, you have to turn it manually in order for it to inflate.
Hey guys, I'm going to share about fire extinguishers. Now, there are certain types of fire extinguishers out there, depending what type of fire there existed, but they all have the same general use. And directions, of course. So, just remember the word pass. P-A-S-S. P stands for pull the pin right here. A stands for aim. S, squeeze the trigger. And sweep. Now remember guys, when using fire extinguisher, when extinguishing a fire, you should always stand upwind of the fire. You don't want to get caught by the fire.